My name is Kelsey. You know, the team and I, we get calls and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Memphis. We absolutely love connecting with our clients, so whether you're moving in 8 days or 80 days, just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or even schedule a Zoom video call. All of my contact information and details are in the description below. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move in or around Memphis. So out-of-state investors often ask me what are the top 3 areas to invest in around Memphis. So it all kind of depends on everybody's, because everyone has varying situations. But if you're looking to buy and hold properties, increase your net worth, and you have additional source, and you like to have an additional source of income, well, investing might be a great option for you. And today I'm going to talk about 3 neighborhoods to evaluate, and plus 1 bonus area that you might consider investing in within the Mid-South area. Watch the video to the very end to get some extra investor tips. So the first area on the list is Hickory Hill, near Hickory Hill Road. This area is a predominantly middle-class community. The neighborhood is near the north where Bill Morris Parkway 385 meets Kirby and the community of Fox Meadows or Winchester Road. On the east by Riverdale Road, on the south by Holmes Road and Shelby Drive, and on the west by Mendenhall Road in the community of Parkway Village. Median sales price homes are about $196,000 with 125 houses sold in the month of June 2023 in this area. Zip codes for Hickory Hill include 38115 and 38141. So the second area on the list is on the other side of Memphis in the north central part. And the neighborhood is called Raleigh near Covington Pike. With the exception of a large Nike distribution center on New Fraser Raleigh Road, Raleigh's business community is almost exclusively retail. The 2 main commercial places are Covington Pike and Austin P Highway, which meets at a major intersection that includes Methodist North Healthcare Hospital on one corner, and then a Walmart Supercenter and other businesses on the other. The southern section of Covington Pike comprises Memphis' largest collection of automobile dealerships and related businesses. The area around Stage Road offers fast food and casual restaurants, shopping centers, and major retailers like Home Depot and Marshalls. Austin P Highway likewise is crowded with fast food and casual restaurants, shopping centers, grocery stores, and Raleigh Springs Mall, which was the community's commercial center from its opening in 1971 until the 1990s. In 2016, the city of Memphis bought the mall to build what is now known the Raleigh Springs Civic Center. The Civic Center now consists of a public library, police station, traffic and special operations station, and a skate park. Median sales price of homes in Raleigh is $152,000 with about 95 units sold in the month of June 2023. The zip code in the area of Raleigh is 38128. Now the third area on the list is further south and it's located in Whitehaven. It is the largest area in South Memphis. The now predominantly African-American neighborhood was first organized in the late 19th century as a neighborhood for upper-class families. Colonel White was an early settler. Some of the other founding family names are Rains, Hill, McCorkle, and Harbin. E.W. Hill moved to the area in the 1880s and opened a store near what is now called Whitehaven High School. In Graceland, where Elvis Presley resides, is also in that area. Hill's store was a landmark for many decades. Many of the names mentioned reflect the history of the neighborhood because many of the streets you drive past reflect those settlers' names. Whitehaven's major tourist attractions are Graceland Mansion and the annual Elvis Week, which attracts thousands there annually to remember the king on the anniversary of his passing on August 16, 1977. Elvis Presley bought this home in Graceland in 1957, and soon afterward, the farmland surrounding the estate was subdivided into home sites. During the couple of decades that Elvis resided in Whitehaven, Elvis spent time at his home in Graceland and was a beloved neighbor to his residents there. And if you would like to invest in the area, median sales price is $120,000 with about 88 units sold during the month of June 2023. The zip code for this particular area is 38109 and 38116. And the bonus area on the list is in the Berkeley Highland Heights area near Summer Avenue. Berkeley is near Interstate 40, Covington Pike, and Stratford Road to the east. It's near Summer Avenue to the south and near Graham Street to the west. Not too far from Sam Cooper Boulevard, Highland Heights is closer to National Streets and Summer Avenue. Here's an interesting fact about the area. Anthony Penny Hardaway, who's an American college basketball coach and former professional player, who's the head coach of the Memphis Tigers men's team in the American Athletic Conference. Anthony Hardaway also played college basketball at Memphis, University of Memphis, and played 14 seasons in the National Basketball Association, or NBA. And he's also a 4-time NBA All-Star and a 2-time All-NBA first-team member. Anthony Hardaway graduated from Treadwell High School, which is located within the Highland Heights area. Median sales price is about $114,000 in the Berkeley Highland Heights area, with about 62 units sold during the month of June 2023. And the zip code for this particular area is 38122. So when considering a rental, evaluate the cost of acquiring the property, talk with your trusted financial and/or investment professional. When determining monthly rents, first determine how much income you like to generate from each rental. Some people have generally stated that $150 to $200 above the monthly mortgage is the standard. Yet figure what's acceptable for you and the strategy you are utilizing and what's customary within the area. Some tools are rentspree.com, realtor.com, zillow.com, rentometer.com, apartments.com, and specifically you just calling 3 to 5 local property managers for quotes for services and quotes on the approximate rents you could get for the rental that you purchased. And then also reach out to the local RIA. Your local real estate investment group is where you can get additional tips and meet wholesalers who can help you find properties at a discount if you're looking to fix and flip. Here in Memphis, the RIA is called Memphis Investors Group. There is a wealth of contact, networking, and resources there to get you started investing in real estate with single family houses or even multifamily apartments and syndications. And if you're a savvy investor looking at regular single family rentals and or lease option strategies, you might also look at Memphis Most Affordable Video for other ideas about evaluating and considering properties for investing. Also, BiggerPockets.com is a great resource for investing. If you'd rather go the easier routes, contact an investment-savvy realtor to help support you on your investment journey. Thanks for tuning into this video. I hope my YouTube channel supports you in learning what makes Memphis a wonderful and unique place to live, work, and play. So again, I hope you found some value in this video, whether you're moving in 8 days or 80 days. Give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or schedule a video Zoom conference call. I'm Kelsey Mans-Ray. I'd love to meet you in person over a Zoom video call and get to know you a little better in your overall real estate goals. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move in or around Memphis.